Hey everybody, it's Bart. Welcome to Tinker Time. We are at the Jersey Shore, my favorite place to be. There's a lot to do here. You can do swimming, you can find seashells, you can lay up on the beach and just kind of lay out and get some sun. But today we're gonna do something you can do with your kids. All right, we're gonna do some sand art. This is gonna be fun. It's really simple, and don't get too attached to it because the kids may destroy it. That's all good. It's all part of the fun. We're gonna make a dolphin. I'm gonna show you how to do that. First, we're gonna trace it in the sand, and then we're gonna do some time lapse so you can see how we make it. It's very simple. Anybody can do it. Here you go. Ready? So we got the outline and we filled it with sand, and now we just kind of shape it. You feel it with your hands, you smooth it out, you pat it down. Today is particularly challenging because we have so many of these little sand crabs in the water. But anyway, you get the sense, right? Now what we're gonna do is we'll put a fin on them, okay? And we get to build that up. Sometimes you gotta get wetter sand. This is kind of dry. We probably should have made it closer to the water. But that's all right. This is just to show you how it's done, okay? And you just kind of, you want to make them, smooth them out, make the nose like that, and then you just kind of use your hand to dig underneath to give it some texture. Bring it to life.